What is going on, everyone? I'm Encore. This is Tomorrow Never Comes. And today I wanted to address a question that I hear quite a bit, which is, are the crypto markets 24/7? And for those of you who may not be familiar, traditional finance, stock market, it typically has an opening and a closing, right? 9 a.m., 4 p.m., pretty rigid stops, a little bit of pre-market and aftermarket activity, sometimes quite a bit, but for the most part, there's a legitimate and well-defined opening and close of markets. So the quick answer is the quick answer to do crypto markets, or does the crypto market have an opening and closing, or is it 24/7? It does not have an opening and closing, and it is 24/7. And that really what creates quite a bit of danger. Two things actually that create that danger. One is having a mobile phone with all the slick apps that allow you to trade on purpose, at basically at the drop of a dime, right? You pick up your phone, you get a notification, you can legitimately put in a trade. Stop a trade, do whatever you like. And that's where the danger becomes, because it becomes more game-like. And the way they create these apps, they do that on purpose, right? They want the user interface, they want the user experience to be quick, seamless, and game-like. So you're more inclined to be on the apps, and you're more inclined to have more activity, which is what they want. And so really, I could sum this video and just wrap it up right now and say, yeah, the crypto markets are 24/7. But I want to add a little flavor to that, right? And that if you are trading, and you should only trade if you're experienced. Having said that, I think I've mentioned this in a previous video. I know that's really more to cover anyone's butt. Any influencer out there who's recommending certain trades or analyzing the markets. But realistically, you're not going to get any experience in the market if you don't trade. So how can you trade if you're an experienced trader? Anyways, chicken or the egg, right? What comes first? So look, I recommend that if you do want to trade, you don't trade on leverage or very small leverage, and you keep your position size small. And I'm going to create a dedicated video to best practices for trading. I'm not, a prolific trader by any means. I do not day trade. If I do trade, it's for long positions, meaning I'm in the position for, several weeks or a couple weeks anyway. I definitely don't try and get in and out, and I'm not one to short the market, right? There are, if you are a trader, the goal is to be a terminator where you trade as the market goes up and as the market goes down. I'm not there entirely. I have done a couple, but for the most part, I trade for the market to go up as opposed to go down. But anyways, having said that, there are some best practices to do, and that will be a separate video. So I just want anyone watching here and all of you to watch, or who are watching here, to really understand that watching the markets, watching prices of the assets that you own, minute by minute, day to day, hour to hour, is very taxing mentally and emotionally. And I would just caution you. I've been there when I first got into the markets. That's exactly what I did. I think everyone does that because there's so much volatility, and when things are great, you just want your phone, the app, to be open at all times. And so I would just caution that it gets tiring, it gets draining, especially if the market's going down. That's why I always preach, be in assets that you know about, care about, and you understand the fundamentals. And then the up and downs don't matter. The downs just mean you get a better opportunity to buy some more. Okay, so yes, crypto markets are open 24/7. So along with that comes the danger where you are constantly checking and where you are constantly active, and that's not healthy in the long run. And more often than not, you're going to get burnt versus being profitable or making long-term gains. So I just wanted to address that question. It's a quick video. I do want to say, in my last video, I had the mic here and I didn't use it. It was pushed off to the side. So the audio quality is terrible, or I'm sure it's terrible, and you guys need to call me out on that. So leave some comments in that video and in this video, just addressing that situation. Okay, so guys, hopefully you've found some value in this. Hopefully you are dabbling, if not fully, in the crypto space. Remember, tomorrow never comes, and I will see you guys in the next video.